Hello everyone. Today in exercise 1, we will see how to minimize the Boolean functions using successive reduction technique. Now today we will solve 3 to 4 questions and we will see how to approach for multiple choice questions in examination. Now this is the question number 1. What will be the minimized equation or what will be the minimized function of the given Boolean function? Now the equation is y is equal to a complement plus b dot a plus b, and the options available are b, 1, 0, b complement. Now we will see how to solve this question. Write down the function y is equal to a complement plus b dot a plus b. The first step will be expanding by multiplying these both the term. Now it will be a complement dot a plus a complement dot b plus b dot a plus b dot b. Now we know a dot a complement is always equal to 0 and b dot b is always equal to b. Now the equation will be a complement dot b plus a dot b plus b. Now you can take b common and the equation will be b dot a complement plus a plus 1. Now 1 plus any variable is always equal to 1 and the final result will be b. So the option will be the first one. Now let us see the second question. What will be the minimized expression for the function, Boolean function, y, the variables are a, b, c, is equal to a bar, b bar, c bar plus a bar, b, c bar plus a, b bar, c bar plus a, b, c bar. And the options are c, c complement, a, c complement, 1. Now let us see the solution. Write down the statement. Now from the first and third term you can take b complement c complement common, and from the second and fourth term you can take b c complement common. The next statement will be b bar c bar in bracket a bar plus a plus b c bar in bracket a bar plus a, and we know a plus a bar is always equal to 1 according to the complement law. Now it will be b bar c bar plus b c bar. Again you can take c bar common and it will be c bar dot b bar plus b, and the final result will be c complement. So the answer is option B. Now this is the question number 3. And the Boolean equation is f a comma b comma c is equal to ab plus abc plus a bar b plus a b bar c, and the options are a plus bc, b plus ac, c plus ab and a plus c. Now let us see how to approach. Write down this statement: ab plus abc plus a bar b plus a b bar c. Now you can take b common from the first and third statement, and from the second and fourth term you can take ac common. This will be the statement after taking common. Now a plus a bar is equal to b plus b bar is always equal to 1 according to the complement law, and it will be b plus ac. So the option is B. Let us see the question number 4. The function is a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar plus a, b, c bar, d bar plus a, b, c, d plus a bar, b bar, c, d. And these are the options: a XOR b dot c XOR d, a XOR b dot c XOR d, a XOR c dot b XOR d, and the last one is a XOR c dot b XOR d. Now you can take c bar d bar common from the first and second term, and cd common from the third and fourth term. The next statement will be c bar d bar in bracket a bar b bar plus ab plus cd in bracket a bar b bar plus ab. Now it will be c bar d bar plus cd dot a bar b bar plus ab, which is a XOR b dot c XOR d. So the answer is option B. Thank you very much.